Have you ever wondered what's the big deal about ACES? Why does everybody in post-production always talks about ACES? If you're curious, then get super pumped. I'm going to be doing a live training on Monday, August 9th at 11 a.m. Pacific time. The registration is free, but we have limited seating, so sign up right now. Plus, by signing up, you will be automatically entered to win my Freelance Colorist Masterclass. I will be picking 3 winners at the end of the training. This training will be broken into 3 main parts. Number 1, what is ACES and why you should care. Number 2, how to set up your project inside ACES. Number 3, how to grade your footage in ACES. I guarantee you, once you're done watching this training, you will be ready to grade your first project in ACES from start to finish. We'll end the session with an extensive FAQs and live Q&A to bring you the most value. So grab a notepad. Free registration does end soon. Click the link below to sign up, and I will see you in the training.